Too much blend there, Richie Acupoint. You can simply massage or push, like we show you. Or look this way. Until you feel warms up. This one is used particularly for deal with phlegm. Here you can gently hear like this. Alright? Just massage. Yeah. Yuji Acupoint belongs to the long meridian from the chest. Goes here, goes here, goes here. All the acupoint from long meridians of hand, Tai Yin, can deal with the cough. But particularly this acupoint can deal with the too much phlegm when you cough or you lose your voice. Okay? Thank you.